guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to give you a few art or painting ideas that you can do during this lockdown. And for these art forms and paintings, it is not necessary that you must have a powerful or professional skills. Anyone can do it. So the first art form that I'll be going to talk is about the mandala drawing. Now on my channel there is a ton of videos on mandala, so I'll put the placed link in the description box or here, so you can go and check it out. I have told every detail about mandala art, like what pens to use, what is mandala art form, or how to draw. Now while looking at it, it might look really complicated, but once you start drawing you'll feel like, oh, this is such a simple art form, and you'll be surprised. And if you want to make it more fun, after the mandala drawing you can add colors to it, and it is more fun than drawing. But you should really try the drawing and coloring together. For more mandala ideas and art forms, you should actually go and check out my Instagram page just for my drawings. The second art form or painting that you can try is the dot painting. Again, I have made a playlist, like a lot of videos on how to do dot painting and what are the essentials of dot painting, and again put the link in the description box, and here you can go and check it out, so it's easy for you to find out the videos. I put literally details, and for this you don't need like expensive paintings or like expensive tools. You can just use your pen, the backside of your pen, or earbuds, or anything which has a round tip. Just dip it in the paint and then make or create dots. Now for this you can randomly put dots anywhere you want, but if you want it to be more clear, or you can more clean, what you can do is first draw the design with a pencil or something and then put dots. And it is not necessary that all your dots need to be of the equal size, shape. Now dot painting is a little time consuming, but I would tell you it is really fun when you do it. Lockdown, we really need to do something that actually takes a lot of time, so I think dot painting is one of it, so you should really try that one too. The next type of painting is the tape painting. I call it the tape painting. So for this you can either use the masking tape or you can use the washi tapes. What you have to do is take your canvas, tape at different places, and then paint in those areas where the tape is not there, and in the end take off a tip for you guys is, if you're doing it on canvas, make sure you use a masking tape, and if you're doing it on a paper like a normal drawing paper, I'll tell you to use a washi tape, because when you use a masking tape on the paper, sometimes the paper just comes out when you take it out. The next idea is where you can use lines and shapes for your drawing. What you can do is randomly draw lines and create shapes and then color it, or you can do is draw random shapes like circles, diamonds, and then you can color it. I'll show you a few pictures of the drawings that I have drawn, and the recent one that I drew only by using single line. In the end, what you can do is color it. While coloring it, what I did is I used 4 shades of colors, 4 different colors. So here I'll give you a tip for coloring. Try to use 4 different shades, or like 6 or 5 different shades, so that when you're coloring, it's clear in your mind where you want to color, and 2 places are not filled with the same color. This type of drawing you can finish it in 10 to 15 minutes and then start coloring. Okay, moving on to the last idea. The last idea is galaxy painting. So if you search on Google or Pinterest like galaxy paintings, all you can see is night vision, like all the night shades, like night color shades like blue, purple, like that. But I add a different idea to it. What I use is, I use watercolor, the watercolor cakes, and I have the brush pen where you have to fill water and just press when you want the water. And I just don't use just the blue colors, I use different colors, like I use the combination of yellow, orange and red, or different shades of pink, different shades of blue, like that, or different shades of green. So it is not compulsory that your galaxy needs to look of the same color what you see, like only blue or purple like that. Try different colors, it works very well. And if you think that you will mess up, at start it will look like you're messing it up. Let it dry, see, analyze it, you will really love it. So there's nothing like bad painting. So these were my 5 ideas for you guys, like different art forms or drawings or paintings that you can try during this lockdown. Make most use of it. All these 5 ideas to you guys. Try it out. If you guys create any art form from this, make sure to tag me. Also, for more ideas or inspiration, you can go and check out my Instagram page just for my artworks. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, thought it was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.